Hi guys, I hope that you're all having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am celebrating, oh yeah, I am celebrating 100 million years here on YouTube. I am officially a dinosaur on this platform, but I wanted to celebrate by doing a good old-fashioned unboxing. Actually, I should say unboxings, as I do have a handbag and a goodie to go with that item. Now you guys know that over the years, I do prefer to do deconstructed unboxings. It's a lot easier, it takes a lot less time, you get right into the item. But I thought, you know what, since we are celebrating a fabulous anniversary, we're gonna take it back old school and do unboxings the way that I used to a million years ago. Hopefully I can stick to it because the whole step-by-step definitely drives me nuts now, but still I thought it would be fun to do that. Now I do have to warn you, I am pretty giddy. I am very excited about these items. So let's get to it, shall we? I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get the show on the road, shall we? All right, let's begin with the bag, because let's be honest, that's what I would want to see first. But the handbag is from Fendi. This is also a wish list bag. I'm very, very excited about that. But here it is. It came with a little ribbon that says Fendi. See, this is what I'm saying. This takes a lot of time. All right. And I have not opened these up. We're going to open them up together. Right, so here it is in the box that says Fendi. I haven't gotten one of these kinds of boxes. Does that make sense? No. All right, let's do this. I'm kind of nervous too. I don't know why, but here it is in the box. I'm assuming that this is my receipt. Yes, it is. It is my receipt. So here is the dust bag. Oh my gosh, I feel like this video is already like 20 minutes long, but here it is in the dust bag. It says Fendi Roma. Any guesses? I did talk about this bag quite a bit on Instagram. What was it, like a month and a half ago? I think I was talking your guys' ear off. And I also checked this bag out when I did the whole South Coast Plaza vlog. So I already know what the color looks like, but it's different, you know what I mean? When you see it at the boutique versus when it's actually yours type of thing. I don't know. But here we go. The newest bag to my handbag collection is the beautiful Fendi baguette in the light pink Napa leather with the gold hardware. I love this color. I absolutely love it. Let me just peep it out. Let me look over it, make sure everything is okay. It looks like it is. Yes, yes, yes. It still has the little sticker on here, but it was between this color and the white. I still love the white, but there was something about this. This one just stood out, and I love the shade of pink that it is because it's not really bright. It's not very, it's kind of like a nudie pink, but it seems to lean more towards like the nude than it would pink. I don't know, but I thought it was a very beautiful, timeless color. What do we think? I love it. And this leather feels amazing. And it smells amazing as well. Oh my gosh, I love the way that it feels. I am a sucker for baguettes. I don't know, but I have definitely fallen madly in love with this brand over the last few years, over the last few months especially. But let's open this up. So here is the other strap that it comes with. Let me take this out. Let me look this over as well. You know what I always wondered? I always wondered why they have the black varnish on these bags instead of having a varnish that matches the color a little bit more. I wonder if it's because it hides like the wear marks a little bit better. But I do think that if it was the same like type of color for the varnish, it would probably make the bag sing a little bit louder. Does that even make sense? You know what I mean? But I think it might be for the wear. But that guy looks pretty good. No issues. There's more little paper, and that's what we have inside. I love how simple this bag is inside. It has one little zippered compartment, but I like the fact that it doesn't take up a lot of space. You don't have any other slip pockets either. I think that with this bag, just because of the structure that it has or the lack thereof, you can really get away with carrying a lot in here, and it doesn't feel like the bag is going to get too bulky. It doesn't have a bunch of lumps and bumps or anything along those lines. Here is the tag. Oh, this is interesting. The tag is the old price. How come I couldn't get it at that price? So it used to be $35.90. When did they change the price on these bags? Wasn't it like 2 months ago or something like that? Obviously, this is not a very popular color. But yeah, it says the W flap baguette in lamb leather and light rose and gold. And I will put the SKU on the description box below. Can I get it back at this price? No, because it's definitely not what I paid for what I paid for it. But I love it. I absolutely love this. And what I love the most about these bags, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm spitting all over the place. This is a nightmare of an unboxing. My goodness. See what I mean? This is why I prefer to do deconstructed ones. But what I love the most about these bags is the fact that you can take off this strap completely and add any other kind of strap that you want to do. So if you want to use it as a little clutch or as a big clutch, you have that option. If you want to use it as a shorter shoulder bag, as a crossbody bag, what have you, I feel like you have so many ways that you can incorporate this bag into your wardrobe. Now with this one, kind of like with the red sequence one that I have, I don't really use it just because I don't really like the length on it. I do like the fact that it is a little bit wider, so it is very comfortable, and this leather, as I said before, is insanely soft, so it's not going to be digging into your skin at all. But yeah, I'm just not a big fan of this strap. I think I might use it with a different bag that I have, but I just kind of like it like so. And then when I have a little less in here, it just kind of feels like, well, not with this one, but with my red one, I like the fact that it kind of has like a little indentation here. So I'm assuming the same thing is going to happen with this. I don't know, but I absolutely love this bag. And I know some people aren't a fan of the fact that you do have this gap in between the flap and the edge of the bag, because some of your smaller items, such as your lipsticks, if you have them loose, they could end up kind of flying out of here. But since I do tend to use a lot of SLGs for the items in my bag, I don't think that'll be an issue for me, but I love it. I absolutely love this bag. It's a gorgeous color. And how crazy is that? 10 years ago, I would have never purchased a bag like this, a bag with this shade. I mean, there's no way. So it's kind of fitting that this is my anniversary bag, if you will. But I love it. I think it's beautiful. And I brought out this strap so we can see what it looks like. The Fendi o'clock strap, the one that I got for my Fendigraphy. But I did try this strap when I went to go check it out last month or however long it was. And I loved the way that it looked. Let me put this one on there because I would use it as a decorative strap as well. Look at this. This is beautiful, at least in my eyes. I love the way that this looks, you know, just because you have a little bit more gold hardware. And I mean, I could use it as a longer shoulder bag, but nah, I want to use it just like so. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right, so let me give you guys a handbag tour so you can see the details of it up close. So it is a flap type bag. It is a medium-sized bag in my opinion. You have the beautiful FF buckle on the front. There is a side view. There is a back view. It doesn't have any exterior pockets. On the bottom, it doesn't have any feet. You guys saw the fact that it does come with two different straps, and on the strap it does say Fendi on the hardware there, but it doesn't have Fendi written on anything else. So it opens up like so. On the back of the buckle you have the Fendi here, and this also has the sticker. And then on the inside, you just have one open compartment, one zipped compartment, and it says Baguette Fendi made in Italy. And what I really love is the fact that you have this detail as well, that you have the FF logo right there. So just an open compartment, very, very spacious. You can definitely see everything at a glance. And then on the fabric here, because it does have the fabric lining, there are some Fendis written throughout. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see them or not. And then you also have Fendi on this buckle, on the part that the magnetic closure for the flap. But there we go. That's all she wrote. Very, very simple, right? Let's open this guy up. Is there anything in here? No, there's nothing in here. This pocket here isn't too deep either. It probably goes down about maybe 2.5 inches. So it's not too deep, as I mentioned previously. But love it. I love it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if I'm going to go for an organizer with this bag, just because, like I said before, I really like the slouch that it gets once it's filled up. But I think that by going for an organizer, it might help the leather to maintain its shape as time goes by, especially since it's a little bit softer. So I think that this will end up getting wrinkles a little bit faster, especially if I end up kind of overstuffing it the way that I normally do all of my bags. We all know this, but I don't know. I really like that little slouch, but I am absolutely digging this bag. I love the fact that you can see everything at a glance, and if you wanted to fit a little bit more or a little bit less, you have that option. Let me also include a quick mod shot of what this bag looks like on my body frame, and for reference, I am 5'5". I will also include like a quick shot of what you can end up fitting in here, because like I said before, it is a medium-sized bag, but it is quite deceiving because you can definitely get away with carrying a lot in here. And even when it is heavy, like with my red one, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't dig into my skin or anything along those lines, just because of how soft this leather is. I mean, you can use this bag for extended periods of time, no problem, you know? And yeah, I'm just absolutely in awe of this color. I can't get enough of it. It's exactly what I pictured. It's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, because they do have two light pinks on the website. And at first I was like, okay, I don't know which one I looked at the boutique. So I talked to the sales associate and he told me it was this one, because the other light pink that they have, I think it says new on there. So it's a new seasonal color. But the thing that kind of sucks is that neither of the two colors in real life look the way that they do on their website. If you want a light pink bag that they have now, as far as the baguettes go, if you want something that's a little bit more nude, it's this color. If you want something that's a little bit more pink, it would be the new light pink that they have on the website. That is the seasonal color. That's the best way that I can describe it. My God, this video is all over the place. My apologies, but yeah, I absolutely love this bag. So the Fendi baguette in the light pink or the light rose Napa leather with the gold hardware. All right. Let's do this. Now on to the Chanel item. So in here, I have my receipt. Let me put that aside. All right. I have seen pictures of this item, but I haven't seen it in the flesh. So hopefully this goes with the item that I just got. All right, let's put that over there. Let's take off this ribbon. There's the box that says Chanel. And inside I have the little dust bag. There's the care booklet. There we go. And I picked up, oh my God, it's beautiful. I picked up the Chanel Beauty CC pouch in the beige clair with the champagne gold hardware. So I wanted this to go with this bag, and it goes. It definitely goes. It's not like a perfect match, because I think that this Beauty CC pouch is a little bit lighter. Hang on, let me look this guy over. Everything is good, but it's definitely a little bit of a lighter tan, a nude than this guy. And I feel like can you guys see a difference? I don't think so. On camera, it looks like it's the same color, but I promise you it is not. I think that by doing this, you can see that this guy has a little bit more pink, right? Am I crazy? I don't know. I don't know. But I will put the SKU on the description box below if you guys want to peep it out. But there it is. And I love these, all right? We all know I have a major obsession with these Beauty CC pouches, or the classic mini pouch, I should say. or it says small case on here. I love these because I think that they are so incredibly versatile. I know that I sound like a broken record by now, but I love using them as wallets, as catch-alls, as little cosmetic cases. You can't fit a ton of cosmetics in here. You can't fit like 4 or 5 different lipsticks in here if they are a little bit bigger, just because you start to see those funky lumps and bumps. But I think that they're awesome because they are quite slender and you can fit them in like all of your bags, whether they're a smaller bag, obviously they fit in your larger bags, no problem. But I think that this is gorgeous and I'm so happy that that it goes with it. It's a nice little pair, right? It's a nice little marriage, wouldn't you say? With the biggest difference that this has that brushed gold hardware and this has that shiny champagne gold hardware, but dude, it looks almost the same. Like on camera, it looks the same. In real life, it has a bit of a difference, but that's pretty freaking close for sure. I love it. I love these two. But anywho, that does it for this unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'm sure it's all over the place. As I said before, I do prefer to do deconstructed unboxings, and I kind of get into it instead of rambling, because I have a tendency to ramble when there isn't like a structure to a video. I'm like all over the place. I could seriously sit here for like 10 hours talking about how much I love this bag, and no one wants to hear that, you know what I mean? So anywho, if you've made it this long, congratulations. This is definitely not just a regular type of unboxing for me. For me, it has a special place in my heart because I never thought I would be on YouTube for as long as I have. I mean, it never even crossed my mind. When I first started, I thought, oh, maybe I'll do it for a couple of months, maybe a year at that. But the fact that I've been on here this long is really thanks to you guys. It's thanks to your support. It's thanks to your lovely and kind words. Because the fact that you guys tune in, the fact that you guys watch my videos and give me feedback on whatever it is that we discuss, be it luxury goods or anything else, it has been an absolutely incredible journey that I am here for, So I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart sincerely, because it's not something that I take lightly. It's not something that's like, oh yeah, whatever. No, I think that this is a very special unboxing for me, but I don't want to get into it too much because I'm gonna start crying and, then I'll do the ugly crying and nobody wants to see that. But anywho, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. Have a great day.